Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Messenger bubble or chat heads on the Facebook Messenger app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, of how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into Messenger, select the menu icon on the bottom right, and then select the settings button near the top of this page. And then you want to scroll down on this page until you get to the bubbles section. Go ahead and select that. So you can select where it says all conversations can bubble or select conversations can bubble, whatever your preference is. It's a phone level setting in there basically. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.